So what's up guys? For today's video, I'm gonna give away some fish, but there's a catch. You need to like, follow, and also comment your username. Like, follow, comment your username, and you need to add me so I can give you